Hi guys, today we'll show you how to connect your smartphone with your Toyota Camry using Bluetooth. On your head unit, press the phone button. It will ask if you'd like to register a new Bluetooth device. We will say yes. And you guys will need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on your smartphone, and you can actually go right here to the Bluetooth devices, and among available devices you will see Toyota Camry. Press that, and yeah, you could select it from the head unit or either do it from here. Make sure that the number is the same and press pair. We will allow contacts, allow messages, and shortly the connection will be established. Now you guys can use the contacts from the history, you can use the favorites, again contacts, all that you have in your phone. You can use the keypad to dial the number, and we can do the messages as well. Besides that, you can go to the audio settings, and here you can press the source and choose the Bluetooth, and now you guys will be able to listen to the music from your phone. If you want to delete your connected device, we have to go to menu, we'll go to setup, phone, and go to connect phone, and this is our connected device. And now we can press remove, select the device that you would like to remove, and it will delete it from your system. And from this menu you will be able to add new devices as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this short video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.